Hello students, let's talk about derivative of a function. Let f of x be a real valued function. And f dash x stands for derivative of that function. F of x be a real valued function and f dash x stands for derivative of that function, or you can write f dash x or d by dx of f of x or capital D of f of x. And we know that d by dx of f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. This is called first order principal method, and it's the definition of differentiability of a function and also derivative of a function. Suppose let y equal to x square, and we have to find derivative of y using this formula, and y equal to f of x, and here given that y equal to x square, that means f of x equal to x square. If f of x equal x square, what is the value of f of x plus h? If f of x equal x square, f of 1 equal to 1 square, f of 2 equal to 2 square, f of k equal to k square. Similarly, f of x plus h equal to x plus h whole square. Yes or no? Now put here. D by dx of f of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h, and limit h tends to 0 equal to, what is the value of f of x plus h? X plus h whole square minus f of x equal to x square and whole divided by h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. Put the formula of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus x square whole divided by h. X square cancel. Then it contains limit h tends to 0. Take h common. H plus 2x. Now h cancel. Now put the value of h. What is the value of h? H equal to 0. Put here 0 plus 2x, and the answer is 2x. That means derivative of x square is 2x using first order principal method. Now let's discuss some basic formula of derivatives. First formula, let y equal to x to power n, and derivative of x to power n is equal to n times x to power n minus 1, where n is a constant. Now I will give you some examples. Suppose y equal to x to power 5 and dy by dx equal to, with respect to this formula, if you compare x to power 5 with x to power n, here n equal to 5 and 5 times x to power 5 minus 1. With this formula, the answer is 5 to the power 5 times x to the power 4. Next example, suppose y equal to x square. So this is our first question, and dy by dx equal to 2 times n times, this is our n times x to the power n minus 1 and 2 times x. Next example, y equal to x to the power minus 3. dy by dx equal to minus 3 times x to power minus 3 then minus 1. And answer is minus 3 times x to power minus 4. Next example, y equal to x divided by x to power 5. And we know that this is 1 by x to power 4 and x to power minus 4. And dy by dx equal to minus 4 times x to the power minus 4 minus 1 and minus 4 times x to the power minus 5 is the example of first formula. Now second formula. Suppose y equal to x and here n equal to 1 and dy by dx equal to 1 times x to the power 1 minus 1 and 1 times x to the power 0 and x to the power 0 equal to 1 and answer is 1. Next, derivative of root x. If you compare this function with this function, n equal to 1 by 2 and dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 times x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 with this formula and 1 by 2 times x to the power minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 times 1 by x to the power minus half or 1 by 2 times, so this is plus half and 1 by 2 times root x. Next formula, suppose y equal to c. C means a constant 5, 4, 3 and derivative of a constant function is 0. Okay. Next formula, y equal to 1 by x and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Y equal to a to the power x where a is constant. Now we had discussed y equal to x to the power n, that is variable to the power n. This is variable to the power constant. It is constant to the power variable and dy by dx equal to a to the power x into log a. This is the formula, or you can write log. For example, y equal to the power x and dy by dx equal to the power x log 2. Next example, y equal to the power x into 3 to the power x, and you can write this is 2 into 3 whole to the power x, that is 6 to the power x, and dy by dx is equal to 6 to the power x into log 6. Next formula, y equal to e to the power x. What is the value of e? E is an exponential function and e is nearly equal to 2.72. dy by dx equal to e to the power x. Next, y equal to log x. dy by dx equal to 1 by x. And then next formula, y equal to log x base a. Here base is e, but here base is a. dy by dx equal to 1 by x times log a. Derivative of trigonometry type functions. Y equal to sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. Y equal to cos x and derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. Y equal to tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. Y equal to cot x, dy by dx equal to minus cos x square x. Y equal to sec x, dy by dx equal to sec x into tan x. Y equal to cosec x, and dy dx equal to minus cosec x into cot x. This is the derivative of trigonometry type functions. Next, derivative of inverse trigonometry functions. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Here minus 1 by 1 plus x square. And sec inverse x is 1 by mod x times root over x square minus 1. Here minus 1 by mod x times root over x square minus 1. Properties of derivative. First property, y equal to u plus v. U plus v means u is a function and v is another function, or you can write f of x plus g of x, two functions, and derivative of y is derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. This is called linear property. And I will give you some examples of linear property. First example, y equal to x square and plus root x. Y equal to x square plus root x, and we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to d by dx of first function plus d by dx of second function. It is x square and 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1. Here we have to apply the formula x to the power n, and derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is equal to 2 times x plus 1 by 2 root x. This is the answer. Second example, y equal to the power x plus x to the power 3 plus e to the power x. To the power x plus x to the power 3 plus e to the power x. This is the second example. Find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to derivative of first function plus derivative of second function plus derivative of third function. It is constant to the power variable. Constant is 2, power is variable, and this is the formula of a to the power x. A to the power, derivative of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log a. This is equal to the power x log 2 plus this is variable to the power constant. Formula of x to the power n, 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1. This is e to the power x, and derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. This is to the power x log 2, 3 times x to the power 2 plus e to the power x. Suppose third example is e to the power x minus x to the power e. Find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to derivative of first function minus, because it is minus, derivative of second function, and derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x minus derivative of x to the power e. Here x is the variable, e means exponential function, and the value of e is 2.72. X to the power e means x to the power 2.72. That means variable to the power constant. We have to apply this formula, x to the power n. E times n times x to the power e minus 1. This is the answer. Ex minus e times x to the power e minus 1, because here e is a constant. Okay. Next property, second property. Property number 2. Y equal to f of x into g of x. Suppose two functions are multiplied with each other and we have to find its derivative. dy by dx equal to f of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. This is the formula. F of x multiplied with derivative of g of x plus g of x is multiplied with derivative of f of x. First example, y equal to x square multiply with sin x. If you compare this formula, this is our f of x, this is our g of x, and we have to find dy by dx, and dy by dx equal to, with the help of this formula, x square multiply with derivative of sin x plus sin x multiply with derivative of x square. F of x multiply with derivative of g of x plus g of x multiply with derivative of f of x. And this is x square. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x. Derivative of x square is 2x. This is the answer. X square times cos x plus sin x times 2x. Derivative of x square into sin x. Next example. Sin inverse x multiply with root x. If you compare this formula, this is our f of x, this is our g of x, and we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to sin inverse x multiply with derivative of root x plus root x multiply with derivative of sin inverse x. This is sin inverse x, and derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x plus root x times derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by root over 1 minus x square. This is the answer of example number 2. Next, property number 3. Suppose y equal to f of x divided by g of x. Here f of x is multiplied with g of x. Here f of x is divided by g of x. dy by dx equal to g of x multiplied with derivative of f of x minus f of x derivative of g of x whole divided by whole square of g of x. Example, 1 by x. We know that the derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. But now we will use this formula. Here f of x is 1 and g of x is x. dy by dx equal to g of x times g of x equal x. This is g of x. This is f of x. G of x times derivative of 1 minus x f of x times derivative of g of x whole divided by x square. Derivative of 1 is equal to 0 minus and derivative of x equal to 1 divided by x square. This is equal to x into 0 0 0 minus 1 into 1 1 by x square. Answer is minus 1 by x square or x to the power minus 3 divided by 10x. U by v or f of x by g of x. This is our f of x. This is our g of x. Now apply this formula. 10x times derivative of x to the power minus 3 minus x to the power minus 3 times derivative of 10x and whole divided by square of 10x. 10x times, here we will use the formula of x to the power n, that is n times x to the power n minus 1, n times x to the power n minus 1 minus x to the power minus 3 times derivative of 10x, that is sec square x whole divided by 10 square x. Or you can do one more thing, you can write here minus 4. This is the answer. Or you can simply write by 1 by x to the power 4, here 1 by x cube. You can find LCM, but no need to do anything. This is our answer. Then last property, y equal to c times f of x. That means a constant is multiplied with a function. That means dy by dx equal to c times derivative of that function. For example, y equal to 5 times cot x. That means and derivative of dy by dx equal to 5 times derivative of cot x. Simply we can take the 5 outside and simply derivative of cot x. 5 times minus cos x square x. This is the answer. If it's second example, y equal to 1 by 3 times minus 4. 1 by 3 times x to the power minus 4. dy by dx equal to 1 by 3 times dy by dx of x to the power minus 4. And this is equal to 1 by 3 times minus 4 times x to the power minus 4 minus 1. And 1 by 3 into minus 4 times x to the power. This is the answer. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.